next train driver, platform number 1, will be the 11:25 cross-country service to Bournemouth. Calling at Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst and Bournemouth. Next travel at platform 1 will be for Bournemouth via Birmingham New Street, Coventry and Oxford. The first class can be found in coach A and a quiet coach in coach A. The next train driver at platform number 5 will be the 11:30 cross-country service for Manchester Piccadilly. Calling at Stoke-on-Trent,